Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in building a website with a small or little budget as that may be, I would recommend that you consider using the tools that are available within Google My Business. Let me walk you through. When you go online on Google, your normal google.com, you want to probably type in a name of a business. For instance, let me say Palladium Innovation. That is what you want to type in, and you want to see information about the business within a Google resource. The name, the website, the description, the location, even their location on Google Map. Or probably you want to make use of Asobro Travels. Okay, if you click on Asobro Travels, you want to see their map, you want to see their information, and from here you can definitely go into searching following them, getting to relate with them, and this is a very good result of what your name on Google search results can get you. So how do you then create a website if you have set up a tool like this? First and foremost, my name is Fetugha Moji. This is my YouTube channel. I would humbly asking you to be a part of my community. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification. If you have any question, feel free to put in the comment section. I will be more than willing to answer and relate with you. Thank you in advance. So let's get started. I'm going to use one of the tools that I've just mentioned, Asobro Travels. I set up the website and I set up this Google My Business. One of the tools that you should know that Google My Business also can get you outside the fact that you can actually see the performance, people who are searching for your word, your keywords, the name of your company, and people who are also relating with your company via the map. Probably they are looking for direction to your company, location and what have you. So there are other tools that you can actually make use of, and we are going to start with making use of the website. So we can build a complete website making use of Google My Business. Let me walk you through the basics. A website requires one or two things. One, you want to have a domain which is a unique name that is attached to your content, your business. So when you say google.com, once you click on google.com onto a browser, it will take you to Google solution. When you click mojidfetugha.com, it's going to take you to Mojid Fetugha solution. When you click asobrotravels.com, it's going to take you to Asobro Travels solution. So a domain name is unique that you should get, you should verify. In this case, even if you don't have a domain name, you can make use of the free second level domain that Google My Business even offers. So even if you don't have a domain name, you can set your website using what Google My Business offers. And the second thing is hosting, which is hosting. Hosting means that you are going to keep your files on the server, okay, and your files will be online 24/7. And of course, Google My Business is one of the tools of Google, and Google as a service provider has given you opportunity of setting up your content online. Then the third, which is the above mentioned, which is your content. So when you say your content, you mean your information, your description and what have you. So we want to get started making use of Google My Business, and I have done a video. If you check my YouTube channel, I've done a video on how to set up Google My Business. And if you are I've done this video some months ago, I've also done an interview on Google My Business, I think. So there are a lot of information available here, and because these are tools that will help your business grow, we want to do as much as possible to teach you, to show you what you can do. And of course, if you feel you are having some issues in order to address or manage it, kindly see my description, my information in the description. You can feel free to reach out to me I will be able to help you out as a service-based offer. So let's continue. So this is a welcome to a new site which is available within Google My Business of Asobu Travels. Any Google My Business services solution can do this. It means that if you do not have a website for a start and you want to start a business, you can actually register Google My Business, so your name comes online immediately. Anybody searches for that name on Google, and of course you can also create a complete website, which is what we are doing now, so that not only that your name and your location will be available, your website and information about your business can also be available, and we'll do some little integrations with this in a short time. So you just need to click get started, because it's a new solution, so you just need to click get started. Now this will give you this support where you can pick your theme, you can talk about your business and what have you. Now if you notice, you are having this one simple design content about your business that has a brief of menu, okay, get quotes which will be redirected to your message, call now which will be directed to your contacts. If you look at this tool, you see call, you see direction, you see save, and of course you can enable messages also. So these are features that we can also get immediately you come to building your website. Now your website would be using this domain asobutravels.business.suit. That will be the free domain that your website will probably be using until you now have the probably the financial wherewithal to then create asobru.com, okay, asobutravels.com. But however, this website, this business, then let me even talk about this business as an added value to the owner of these two. Asobu Travel is a complete solution. They have their own website. If you click on this website, it's going to take you from these search results to their website, and if you click on the call, it's going to take you to their call page. You can see, so they offer traveling services and what have you. Let me just move to the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you can pick up a theme and you can select any of the themes that are available. These are the free themes that are available. Once you pick a theme, it will redesign your layout, and the next thing is you want to select and edit that photo. This photo here, you can just edit the header photo by probably drag and drop. I'm just going to drag and drop it here, and that automatically uploads the image. Any of the images that I've pre-created, I can just drag and drop, and before you know it, the header here, the header information here will be available. You can see Asobru header is edited, you can see. And the next thing is you want to probably start editing the content, okay, then you can click this edit. Okay, you can save the changes. You click on this edit here where we have Asobu Travels, which is the main primary button. This is the button get code. This get code, you can edit it by say call us now, and you are going to see call now, probably WhatsApp us, send WhatsApp message, and you can see send the WhatsApp message, and if you click this, it's going to actually take you to WhatsApp message, and you can even do a lot of things. And the headline should be Asobu Travels. We have description is traveling agent in Ojokoro. Okay, let us say traveling and tours business agency in Lagos. And one of the beautiful things that you should note in this effort is that any content, any information description that you have given to this content on Google My Business is optimized. It means if anybody should type traveling and tours business agency in Lagos, you will not be surprised that at this website, once it is publish, once it is live, then you will see that this information will be available, and that is very important to note. Then we can add a summary header, we can add the body, we can add a lot of things, and we can start creating posts. Posts are content like blog posts. You can start creating posts, and you can add testimonial, or you review testimonials of people on your normal reviews that people give to your website or to your business online. So you can do all this, and immediately you are done, you just click on this and check this button in order to save it. And you can also do a lot of things. Don't forget that this information is here, and the description and everything is done. So if you look at this site, you can share this website on your social media channels. You can see the URL is this, and you can just click view site. Now when you view site, it's going to take you to your website. You can see your website, you can see what we just designed, and probably if you have blog content, we have blog content that will be available. There are a lot of things that can come in. Your gallery will be here, and you can edit your gallery. Your contact will be down there, you can edit your contact, and you can do a lot of things with this tool. And if they say what is your URL, your URL is asobutravels.business.site. I haven't explained this. You can do a lot of things with this. Even you may look at it as, wow, this is small of a normal big website, but a brief solution like this goes a long way, optimize, and goes a long way to help your business grow no matter how far. And of course, you can always use this as a backup to your normal website. If you have a normal website, you can use this website to be a backup. What do I mean by backup? You use this to share link, to refer to your normal website. Probably you have created a professional website already, and you have a business Google My Business website. You can use this content to refer to that, where you put your blog post content here, and you redirect to the main website. So it's going to create a backlink from optimized Google website to your main website. So having said this, if you have found some lessons, some information, some insights from this video, I would encourage you to do more of the research and edit as much as possible. You can do a lot of things. You can update your hours, your opening hours. You can add more photos which will go into your gallery. You can edit your content, you can edit your blog, you can do a lot of things with this tool. And I can really tell you that it's a lot of opportunity for some people. You can create new posts, you can do a lot of things, literally, so that you can set up your business. You can talk about new offer, you can what is trending, write your new post, and you can do a lot of things with using Google My Business. I wish you all the best. If you have found some videos, some values from this video, kindly be a part of my community. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm uploading content on web development and digital marketing, and I say all the best.